Wealth isn't about working hard. It's about building systems while you are busy believing in meritocracy. Rich people don't work harder, they work once and get paid forever. They build systems, assets, businesses, investments, things that make money while they sleep. You trade hours for dollars. They traded effort once for infinite returns. That's not harder work, that's different work. The game. The rich play a different game with different rules you weren't taught. You were taught good grades, good job, work hard, retire. They were taught build assets, leverage other people's time, make money work for you. You're playing checkers, they're playing chess. On the same board. Meanwhile, you're hustling, grinding, working overtime. They're on vacation because their systems are working. You measure wealth in salary. They measure wealth in assets that generate salary. You think the game is fair. That's how they keep winning. Stop trading time for money. Start building things that make money without your time. That's the game. You can learn the rules or keep losing fairly. Choice is yours.